Hey Ma, welcome back to another hair video. So today's video will be sponsored by Megalook Hair. This hair is gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys. So this is how the box look. It also does have their socials at the end of the box, which I thought was really cute. When you open the box, it comes with the hair as well as this little pouch. It also comes with a quote inside the box saying Megalook wants to let every woman who uses their products feel more proud of herself. So I thought that was really cute. So the box does come with 2 of these eyelashes. You have 2 pairs, so you can never go without eyelashes. And again, I showed you guys it comes with this pouch, and inside of the pouch is going to come with a wig cap, which you can never have enough of. It's also going to come with this scarf. This is more so like an edge scarf. It's really thin. It's also going to come with an edge brush, which again, you can never have enough of. And it also comes with this really nice pin. That pin is beautiful. So this is the hair here. As you can see, it has highlights. So this is actually a 4x4 transparent lace Balayage straight 22-inch closure wig with 180% density. So as you guys could kind of see, the lace is super transparent. So if you do not want to bleach it, you don't have to. You could barely see the knots. I actually do bleach it again. I'll show you guys later on in the video, but you see how transparent that is? Like, it's mad see-through. Like, you really do not have to bleach the lace if you don't want to. So it also does come with the elastic band sewed onto it already, which is always helpful. It has the combs and it also has the adjustable straps on the back of it. So this is how the hair looked after I washed it. And again, I wanted to focus on the lace to show you guys. This is without me bleaching it. This is without me bleaching it. So like I said, it's going to be completely optional. The wig is pretty much hooked up for you. So, and there was no shedding or anything like that when I was washing it. So I didn't have any issues. This is how it looked after I bleached the knots. As you can see, it's kind of over bleached a little bit because the lace was so transparent, but I'll fix that later on. And that is how much hair I had plucked out of the front, only because the hairline was just a little bit too thick for me. So here is the wig. These highlights are so pretty. So as always, I'm just going to fit it onto my head, see exactly how I want it to lay. Then I'm going to lay it down with my Esha glue. And as always, I'll have all the products that I use in the description box down below. But you guys see that part though? It's giving scalp, sis. Like, it looks so good. Like I said, you did not have to bleach the knots. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but I decided to bleach them because as I was plucking it, I just didn't really like the fact that you saw more of the knots. So I didn't like that. So that's why I went ahead and bleached it. So here is me using my wax stick. As always, I'll have that in the description box as well. I just use that to get rid of all the flyaways. That way I can see clearly, and there's also no hair that's going to be in the way while I'm trying to lay down the wig with the glue. All right, so now that I have the wig marinating and melting, I'm going to use my wax stick once again to make sure that it is flat, super flat as can be, make it look hella natural, and also get rid of the flyaways, and also use the hot comb too. The hot comb is what really helps it to get that nice flat natural look. So if you don't use a hot comb with your wigs when you are trying to lay them down, I highly suggest it. It's going to make a difference, trust me. Look at that. Like, it looks mad good right now. So I'm finally taking off the elastic band and it looks really good. It looks melted. So now it's time to cut off the additional lace and, you know, fix my part and style it and all that good stuff. The one thing that I don't think I showed you guys in this video is, remember when I said that the knots were kind of over bleached a little bit? What I did was I went in with my mascara wand and I just basically took my rat tail comb and had the rat tail part in the part of the wig. That way I didn't get it on like the lace itself, and just use my mascara wand on the hair around the part, if that makes any sense. So that way whatever hair was like orange or anything like that from the bleach, I just used my mascara wand to get rid of that, and it just makes the part look a lot better. So yeah, so now I'm just hooking it up with my hot comb and my wax stick. I go back and forth until I feel comfortable with it, and then I am going to put the elastic band back on again and let it melt even more, because there was a couple pieces I had to fix, and I didn't want to do baby hair, so that's why I was so focused on making sure that the wig was laying the way that I wanted it to lay. Alright, so now I am just using my wand to make wand curls, and I did a few already before I had turned the camera on, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I didn't use any hairspray, like I wasn't I wasn't professional with it, because I was going to rake it through anyway, so they did not have to be perfect. All I did was take small to medium pieces at a time, comb it through, and just wrap it around the wand. There were some pieces like towards the end that I couldn't get because I don't have my glove anymore, and I didn't want to burn my finger because I had it all the way up to like 410. So there were some pieces that I had to go back and fix, so which is like, it's like 1 2 3, like if you got a couple of straight pieces, you just go back, wrap it around the wand, and you're good to go. But yeah, I wrap it around, leave it on there for like 10 seconds, hold it in my hand for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll let it drop. Alright, so I believe I only showed you guys like one side of me doing that on camera, because it's really simple. It's really 1 2 3. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the footage, and then I will come back towards the end. Guys, so that'll basically be it for the tutorial. The hair came out really cute. The hair is super soft. I didn't really have too many issues when it came to shedding. Like I showed you guys, I did end up bleaching the knots, only because like when I do see the blackness of the knots, I guess you could say, it does kind of bother me a little bit. So I just bleached it just a little bit. I think I only left the bleach on for like 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes or something like that. And that's mostly because the lace is mostly already like really transparent, and the knots wasn't that dark to begin with, so you didn't really need to like bleach it, but I just wanted to get rid of those black knots or whatever, so that's why I did that. But other than that though, everything came out really cute. As you saw, the hair took to the curls extremely well. I don't really have too much to say. It came out really nice. I love this wig on me. I love the highlights. I think it's beautiful. I think it's different. So yeah, as always, I will have all the hair information as well as their socials, as well as Megalook's website. Everything will be listed in the description box down below for you guys. And I also want to thank Megalook Hair Hair again for sponsoring today's video. I love the hair. The hair is super, super, super cute. It looks really, really nice on me. Makes me look like a baddie, so I'm happy. But as always, just make sure you guys check out the description box for all of the information. If you didn't hit the subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up before you click off. That will be it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.